Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little voiceover, so this is just a quick video, and this look is a really pretty, like, girly Barbie glam, my favorite, but it's also pretty simple and easy, so I'm going to call this kind of like beginner's glitter cut crease, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and stay tuned. So hello, I'm starting off with my NYX Beauty School Dropout kit. I'm taking a pale shimmery pink shade and starting off in the crease with that. And instead of the tape trick today, I'm doing like the cardboard trick, I guess. So I'm just trying to make sure that wing is really precise and kind of dragged out for dramatic effect. So I'm taking these other pink shades. This palette has so many like gorgeous shades, and I'm darkening the crease. So I'm also going to take that pink and make a smoky under eye, and then I'm concealing the crease. I am using Maybelline Age Rewind for this, and it works so well on eyelids, guys. So then with my Katy Kat loose glitter, I am going to go ahead and dip right into that and just pat it onto my lid right in that area that I put the Maybelline Age Rewind. Sorry if that sounded weird. So you can see the glitter is so just bold and sparkly. And I'm doing the other eye. So use a dry brush when doing that, not damp, because then the glitter sticks to the brush. But anyway, I'm going over my areas where I get redness with the Age Rewind as well. It's so handy. And then I'm just going to blend that out. I prefer to use a damp beauty sponge just for reference. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Cream Contour Palette, and I have this handy dandy oval brush. It's actually Broadway Colors, and I got it at Dollar General. It was literally only a couple dollars, and it's really good for nose contouring. It's just like stiff, and it's really easy to get like a straight line on your nose with it. But yeah, this is the foundation I'm using, Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It's not my favorite foundation, but I do see other beauty gurus using it, and you know, it gets the job done. So that's what we're going with today. And of course, I'm going to do blend, 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 blend. Now for mascara, I'm throwing on some Revlon Volumizing. So back to that NYX kit, taking some bronzer and cutting those cheekbones, making sure that they can slice something. And then I'm using this pretty coral shade for blush. I'm just going to kind of blend it in. I don't want it to look too crazy. So this is one of my favorite lip products I have. It's Wet n Wild lip liner. And I think this might be gel lip liner. I'm not sure exactly what that means, but it's such a pretty color. I believe it's called Petal Down. It's literally the prettiest like matte pink. And then this is also Wet n Wild. It's a Bare It All lipstick. It's like the prettiest nude ever. So this look would not be complete without a sharp liquid liner wing. So I'm gonna go ahead. I think this is the LA Colors Graphics liner, and I like it because it dries quickly, doesn't smudge, and it's cheap. I know I've said that before, but yeah. And that completes the look, guys. So that was like, it looks really glamorous and beautiful, but yeah, it was not a ton of steps, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. Bye.